Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Canned corned beef is a popular ingredient for breakfast. Simply slice and fry the beef in a skillet and serve with eggs, grits, potatoes, rice, or whatever. Canned beef is great on a simple sandwich. Sear beef slices in a skillet and eat them on white bread with plenty of mustard.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tinned corned beef is already cooked and ready to eat. It is very different in texture from the corned beef you will buy in delis or cook yourself. It is very crumbly. It is the corned beef that is used in corned beef hash recipes. 16 September 2002.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.